Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ROG Phone 8 Pro and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the sound and vibration. Let's tap on it. Then let's scroll again to localize the sound section and tap on phone ringtone. As you can see, we can select a different ringtone for the first SIM card and different one for the second SIM card. So it's up to you for which you'd like to change it. I will choose the first one. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available ringtones from which we can choose. Basically all we have to do is to tap on the option and then listen to it and decide whether we will like it or not. What is more, you can tap on this plus icon and you will be transferred to your own file. So if you've got anything, for example, downloaded or recorded, you will be able to choose it and set it as a ringtone. So let's go back, and as I said, after listening to the ringtones and deciding that you like it, you want to use it, make sure that it is marked, and then simply go back. And as you can see, it will be immediately applied right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.